tumingin sa harap kasi may camera tayo sa harap. Okay? Tapos naka-live feed kayo. So wag masyadong nakayuko. Look straight.
Look straight and then chin up.
Sample ko, bro.
Ito, actually ito yung ano eh.
Ano, half straight, half. Sorry. Siguro
Isang marker dito, Bill.
Sige, marker. Lagyan mo.
halfway back and then forward. And then
Kaya mo sila. Padilim ka.
forward.
Pat mo pa.
Halfway. Sige.
Sandy.
Backward lang.
Thank you.
Sige lang.
Backward.
And,